arrive in style with this Ram 2019 ProMaster Cargo van. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include bright white clear coat, rear hinged doors with fixed glass included, deep tint sunscreen glass, black cloth bucket seats, transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE, STD, Class 4 receiver hitch, interior convenience group included, locking glove box shelf above roof trim under seat storage tray cargo net, Sirius satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 800-643-2112, manufacturer's statement of origin and cargo partition with sliding window. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.